Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. And the first way to check the battery level is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. If yours doesn't, you can always open the watch face menu, scroll through the list of watch faces and find something that displays that info. And if you can't find anything that displays the battery level, you can always customize some watch faces. So if, let's say, I want to customize this one, you can tap on custom and swipe left until you see the function, and then you can tap on one of the functions and select the button, and then you can press the crown button and the changes will be applied. Another way to check the battery level is to open the quick panel. So if you swipe down from the top of the screen, and here we have the battery level. And that's about all. That's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.